Fundamental to the high performance of Supralon filters is their Beta 2000 absolute rating. Beta 2000 is the highest beta removal efficiency ratio available in the industry today and is effectively 10 times more efficient than standard filters, providing Beta 200 performance. With faster system cleanup and higher, more sustained levels of fluid cleanliness, Supralon filter elements offer maximum component protection, resulting in a reduction of equipment maintenance and unscheduled downtime. Pall Supralon filters offer the ultimate solution for the protection against premature failure of hydraulic and lubrication equipment. To learn more about how Pall Supralon can reduce operating cost and improve overall system performance in your production processes, please contact your local Pall representative or visit the Pall website.